Hello everyone, welcome back to Shoel's English. If you want to improve your English speaking skill, then this video is for you. Today we will practice some common English questions and answers that are used in daily life. Listen carefully, repeat after me and try to answer by yourself. So let's get started.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I ready.
What do you do every day?
I go to school and study English.
When do you wake up?
I wake up early in the morning.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
What is your job?
I am a student. My job is to study.
Do you study English daily?
Yes, I study English every day.
What do you eat in the morning?
I eat breakfast in the morning.
Do you use mobile every day?
Yes, I use mobile every day for online class and learning.
Do you work hard?
Yes, I study hard every day to get good result.
Do you feel happy?
Yes, I feel happy.
What is your goal?
My goal is to speak English fluently and make my future bright.
Great job. I hope today's question and answer practice help you improve your English. Keep practicing every day because consistency is the key to fluency. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.